Hello, welcome everyone to join our live today. We are from Nantong Printing Machinery Co. and we are from Foshan of China. We are a machine supplier that's supplying you some of our printing and finishing machines. So in today's live, we are going to introducing you about all the machines that we sell. So what kind of machines that we are selling, that we are providing, okay, including, okay, one of these machines is the die-cut machine. And also in today's live, we are going to show you about our self-developed paper cutter computer system, and also our self-developed cold glue spray system, and also all of the small machines that we sell. So other than just big machines, we are also selling you all kinds of small machines. So what kind of small machines that we are selling? Okay, let me show you now. So the small machines that we are supplying including such as these creasing machines, okay, and also okay, such as this one is the paper cutter, the manual creasing machines, the sealing machine, okay, and iron machines, okay, and all kind of machines like this one is our glue machines, drilling machines, and our corner cutter, name card cutter, and all of these machines are the machines that we are supplying to you. Of course, including this is our flatbed auto spraying machine. So it's also one of our company-owned manufactured machine. So welcome everyone to our live again. Remember, if you are interested in this live, stay tuned because in today's live we are going to show you a lot of machines operations. We are going to tell you about all the details, okay, and also please follow our page. Please help us to like, please help us to comment and share it to your friends, share it to your company, share it to your colleagues, so that okay, all of these machines promotions and informations you will receive and your friends will also know about it. Okay, so now, okay, in today's live, okay, I will show you first about our die-cut machines. So you can see, okay, this green color machine is what we call as a die-cut machine. And this die-cut machine is for you to do packaging boxes. So for example, you have a boxes, right? But you have to, for the boxes, you need to cut the shape out. Okay, you need to cut the box shape out. So how do you do? So you need this die-cut machine to help you. And okay, the machine you're seeing now is a 750 mm die-cut machine. And also, okay, this is a very small size die-cut machine. Actually, we have some bigger size, okay, smaller size. The minimum size of the die-cut machine is 750 mm, and the maximum size, okay, is up to 2 meter, up to 2,000 mm, or even up to 2.2 meter, okay, 2,200 mm. So, okay, the die-cut machine, okay, is all, okay, you can buy from us because we are the supplier, okay, that's supplying these machines to you, and we have been experienced, okay, we have many experience that selling these die-cut machines for more than 33 years in China. Okay, we have experience of selling these die-cut machines for more than 33 years. So if you're interested in our die-cut machines, okay, you can look for us. Okay, so now I will ask my technician to do the operation of the die-cut machine for you. Okay, and now I will also introduce you some of the details first. Okay, so let you see the details. Okay, so you can see. Okay, welcome Amir Nasser. Okay, joining our live today. In today's live, okay, we are going to show you so much machines, so please stay tuned. Okay, so if you know more about our machines operation. Alright, so okay, this die-cut machine, you can see there's two controller. One is the upper controller and one is the lower controller. So okay, even you want a new or reconditioned die-cut machines, we are all selling to you also. So if you want a new machines or you want a reconditioned machine, yes, we have all of them. And let's see the controller. So you can see the on and off here, okay, is the power button, okay, and then you can also see the counter, okay, to count how many boxes you have made, and also you will see the stop, the start, the cutting, and the function switch. So you can see the red color buttons is for you to stop the machines, the green color buttons is for you to start the machines, and the yellow color buttons is for you to die cutting. And also you can see the function switch. So later, okay, I will let my technician to show you how the function switch, okay, work as well. And also, of course, other than this controller on the machine, then we will also get the controller in the handle here. So, okay, if you think that okay, the controller, okay, of upper here, okay, maybe it's very difficult when the machine is working, it's very difficult for you to control, then you can control the controller at the handle here. you can see, okay, it also have the pressing, the start and the stop buttons at the handle. So, okay, there are two controllers in these die-cut machines. And now, okay, I will also show you, okay, some of the other angle of this die-cut machine as well. So you can see, okay, these are the other angles of the die-cut machine. And remember, this is our brand new die-cut machine, 750 mm, a very small size die-cut machines that also direct selling from us, okay, from China to you. And we have been selling die-cut machines from China to all over the world. So if you're interested, then you can look for us. And also, okay, you can also see this one is a reconditioned die-cut machine. So, okay, this reconditioned die-cut machine, okay, is a second-hand die-cut machine, and we have, okay, welcome Manoj Pancha from India. This is a reconditioned second-hand die-cut machines. Okay, even it's a second-hand, but we recondition it. Okay, we have helped you to check everything of it, so it's also in a very good quality, and it's also a 750 mm die-cut machine. So it's a very small size in die-cut machine. Okay, and then okay, you can see there is also okay the controller up here. Okay, same as the new die-cut machine just now. Okay, you can have the power on and off switch. You can have the start and stop and cutting buttons. Okay, and also you also have the controller, okay, in the handles here. So okay, in later on I will let my technician to show you how the die-cut machine works. Okay, so okay, but okay, before I proceed to how the die-cut machine works first, and then okay, now I will show you okay also another machines, okay, another system that also developed by us, which is this one. Okay, so what is this? This one is our paper cutter computer system. Okay, and then okay, this is the system, okay, for you, okay, to adjust the size, adjust the package, okay, of your paper cutter. So no matter what brand of paper cutter you are using, if you are using a manually way to adjust the package, to adjust the size, then it's very slow, okay, it's very not convenient. Then okay, you may okay get this paper cutter computer system. So that okay, welcome our friends Muhammad Cordia from AE joining us. So you need to get this system on your paper cutter machines. So no matter what kind of paper cutter machines you are using, maybe you are using a Polar paper cutter, you are using a Nugget paper cutter, or Ito paper cutter, maybe you are using any brand of paper cutter, okay, in the market, then okay, this system is suitable for you, okay, because it's for you to adjust the package of it. And then okay, you can also see, okay, this is the screen of the paper cutter computer system. Okay, let's see the screen. Okay, so it's a fully touch screen system. Okay, you can also choose either you want a 7-inch screen or either you want a 10-inch screen. So you can see the screen here. Okay, you see it's a 10-inch screen, and if you want a smaller screen, then you need a 7-inch screen. And then okay, you can also see, okay, these are all the parts you receive in this system. Okay, so it's a very easy installing system. It's suitable for all brands of paper cutter. So okay, what is the parts you receive? Okay, you will receive the belt. You will also receive the motor. You also receive the motor base. You receive the synchronous wheel, the power. You also receive, okay, 3 of these are the green color sensors, and also you also receive this inverter. And also, okay, to let you know that we have already upgraded our system. So, okay, before upgrade our system, okay, have many wires, okay, some more, because, okay, it will require many wires to connect on your paper cutter. But our upgraded version is we'll give you this this one is inverter, and then okay, you can just okay connect the wires according to the labels on the inverter. So it's a very easy using system, okay, and it's a very easy installing system. So you don't need a very advanced technician, okay, to help you. You just need a normal technician, and they will send you some of the installation videos, and then you will already know how to install this system. Then you will already know, okay, how you okay can equip this system on your paper cutter. So how do we say that it can adjust the package? So you can see this one is the package. Okay, this is what you call the package. It's for you to push the paper cutter, to push the products out. So okay, that's why you need to get this system, okay, to help you, okay, to adjust the package of the paper cutter. And also, okay, let's see about the interface. So this is the interface, okay, and then you can see this is all the things, okay, you can write the sizes, okay, you can key in all the sizes by this interface here, okay, just fully by touchscreen. And then you can see, okay, can you see at the left hand side there are 1 to 7, right? It means the cutting size. So for example, for the first cut you want it on 800 mm, then you can set it as 800 mm. And then the second cut you want it on 400 mm, then you can set it on 400 mm. and the third cut if you want it to be on 600 mm, then everything you can setting here. So how many sizes you can setting by this system? You can setting up to 112 sizes by this system. And also, okay, you can see the group here, right? The blue color group here, okay, is the data you can save. So, okay, the group here, okay, you can choose, okay, either you want, okay, up to 150 groups of data you can save. So, which means that if you have 150 groups of products and you want every product, okay, to have some different cutting sizes, then you will need to, you can save up to 150 groups by this system. So, it's a very smart system, okay, and every time after you key in, you save it already, then you don't need to key in the same size after you save it. Okay, every time you just select the data you save, and then it will help you to have the data already. It will show all the data you make already. So okay, these are our paper cutter computer system. And also okay, let's see what is the C function here. Can you see the C function? So the C function is for you to control the blower. So it's the blower. Okay, this is the blower. Okay, to help you okay to blow up the air. Okay, if you have a stack of paper that's very heavy. Okay, and your paper cutter have the blower functions, right? And then that's why okay, this system also can help you to okay adjust okay each cut blower. So for example, the first cut you want blower, then you let the C become green, and then the second cut you don't want blower, then you let the C okay cancel it. Okay, so everything okay you can just setting okay the C and T function here. Okay, and okay, what's the T function? Okay, the C function means the blower, and the T functions means the pushing function. Welcome David, Jeremy, in Australia, okay, from CL joining us. So you can see the T here, okay, is the paper pushing function. And then the paper pushing function, which means that it can help you to push the paper. Okay, if you have the paper already, then you already cut it. So okay, what can you do? Okay, and then okay, what can you do? Okay, you want to have the paper to cut in another position, but okay, it will be very dangerous if you put your hand inside the cutter. That's why okay, you need to have the T function to help you okay to push the paper out a little bit so that you can change another position and it won't cut your hand. So okay, this is the T function okay for you to set each cut pushing function. Also, you can see there's an auto and manual blower here. Okay, so the auto blower okay is for you okay to also okay adjust the blower. Okay, have auto or you want a manual. Okay, you can setting everything. You can also have the manual and auto functions here. Okay, so you can choose either you want the system okay to run manual or auto. So okay, these are all the parts you receive. Okay, and it's a very easy installing parts on the paper cutter. Okay, so now okay, my technician is here already. Now I will show you the operation of the die cut machines. Okay, so let's see how this die cut machines works. Okay, as just now I've said to you, there's two controller. Okay, now okay, let's have a demo. Okay, to turn on the machine first. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, you just press it already. Okay, and then okay, you can just use the controller, and then it will start to work. Okay, so you can see this die cut machine is suitable for all kind of boxes. If you want to cut some boxes, okay, in any shapes, even you are doing welcome bin say from Philippines. Okay, so okay, you say that you have cardboard or corrugated box, gift box, any kind of boxes. Yes, you can use this die cut machine to cut the boxes. Okay, so everything you can set up by this controller or the handle controller. So this is how the die cut machines works. And remember, this is a very small size only. If you need a bigger size, then we can also do for you. And also okay, now you can also see okay, this is the okay function switch. Okay, so let's see how the function switch can work. Okay, so the function switch, okay, you can see the function switch now is on the left side, right? Okay, it's pointing at the left side, which means that okay, it is continuously die cutting. So for example, if you have some very thick material, then okay, you need to have the function switch okay to let it okay die cutting continuously. Okay, to help you to die cut the thick material. But okay, what if okay the function switch go to another okay position? Okay, now it's at the left, right. Okay, so what will happen when the function switch goes to another okay position? So okay, let's see. Okay, later I will show you also. Okay, so remember, okay, this Icon machine is one of the very best seller, okay, in our China factory. And if you're interested, you can look for us, and we'll give you some best price. Okay, we'll give you some very good promotion of these Icon machines, and we also have new and reconditioned die cutting machines available to selling to you as well. So if you're interested, then you may look for us. Okay, and okay, now I will also show you another machine first before I show you the die-cut machine's other functions. So now, okay, let's see, what is this? This one is the cold glue spray system. So, okay, what is a cold glue spray system? The cold glue spray system is also a system that fully developed by us for you to equip with your folder glue machines and help you to spray the glue on some specific area of the boxes. So let's see, okay, this machine, okay, you can equip up to 8 spray guns. So you can see in this machine now I only have 2 spray guns here. But actually, okay, if you want more, then you can equip up to maximum 8 spray guns, okay, and then okay, it's for you to equip the cold glue. So okay, you can see, okay, this one now is a cold glue spray system, right? But if you say that you want some hot melt glue, can you do it? Yes, you can do some. You can put some hot melt glue as well. Okay, you can, okay, not by this machine, but by another machine. We also have another hot melt glue system, so you can get the hot melt glue system from us as well. Okay, and then okay, so okay, this is the cold glue spray system. Let's see the behind here. Behind here are the connectors. So this system, okay, we have up to 8 connectors. So how do you use this system? Maybe you say that, do you need a very advanced people to help you to install this system? Okay, you don't need, because it's a very easy using system. You can see all the wires here, right? So okay, everything you want to do, okay, you can just connect the wires accordingly. And then okay, this is how can the cold glue spray system works. You can see the labels here, right? There's a sensor 1, gun 1, sensor 2, gun 2. Okay, so okay, everything you can just connect the wires to the connectors according to the labels. And you can see also there are labels of the pump, pressure, and encoder here. Okay, and also there's an on and off button here. Okay, for example, if now we turn on it, okay, so it's already on. Okay, the switch buttons. Okay, and then everything you can just setting, okay, on the touchscreen. So the touchscreen is very similar, just like the paper cutter computer system we have shown you just now. And also, okay, remember that this system is also one of our company, okay, fully manufactured and fully developed by us. So we are not getting it from other people, we are not getting it from maybe other company, but we are getting, okay, we are getting these machines, okay, yes, it's fully, okay, developed by us, okay, it's fully made by us, this system. Okay, so if you need a modification or you need some of the maybe customization, we can do for you, because this system is our company fully making products. So you can see the touchscreen controller is the blue color things here, okay, and also we have the glue pump here. Okay, you need to connect the air compressor. So okay, this orange color wire is for you to connect the air compressor, and then these are the spray guns. And if you say that this spray gun is not suitable for you, maybe you need some other kind of spray guns, okay, you can look for us as well. And we also receive the glue bucket here for you to place the cold glue. And remember, other than cold glue spray system, we also have our hot melt glue spray system, etc. So okay, if you have your folder glue machines, or you have any other machines like paper folding machines, enveloping machines, okay, or maybe it's ring packet machines, then if any machines that you need to spray glue, then you will need to get our system, and you can equip up to maximum 8 spray guns. So let's see the controller. Okay, let's see the interface. So you can see the 1 to 6 here, the 1 to 6 here, okay, which means that how many guns you have equipped, and each gun is controlled independently, which means that, for example, the first gun and second gun, okay, all of the parameters, everything you want to be different, then you can setting different. So you can have 8 spray guns all be control setting different and independently. And also, okay, the manual function, okay, on auto here, the manual is for you to clean the whole system, and the auto function is for you to equip on your machines. Okay, so this is the manual and the auto functions, and you will also see the shape here. Okay, the shape here is for you to set the shape you want to spray. It's in dot shapes or in line shapes. And you can also see there's a start and ending points. Okay, the starting point maybe how many mm's. Okay, remember all of the units we measure is in mm. So okay, how many mm you want to start and how many mm you want to end. Okay, and the point distance and point numbers, everything you can just setting by this touchscreen system. And also you can see the dots here. Okay, the green color dots here are the spraying size. Okay, the spraying dot sizes. If you want a smaller size, then the dots you just press it in a smaller dots. If you want a bigger size, then okay, you can just press the dots to become some bigger dots. So okay, this is our cold glue spray system. Okay, remember this system is our fully developing system, and if you say anything you are not sure or you have some questions you want to ask, then you can always ask us. Okay, and our agent is here. Okay, our salesperson is here to answer all your questions. And okay, it can be equipped on any brand of machine, so no matter what brand of machine you are using, then you can get our system as well. So this is our cold glue spray system. And also welcome Miss Sadie, okay, for joining our live today. Okay, so now okay, I will also show you the die cut machines. Okay, let's turn the die cut machine function switch to another one. Okay, let's show the die cut machine function switch to another function. So now it's continuously die cutting, right? What if you can see, okay, you have some, okay, what if I let the function switch go to the middle? So what will happen? Okay, so okay, it will be cutting just by manually. Okay, when your hand press the cutting, then okay, only it will cutting. So okay, it means that the function switch in the middle, which means that if you're cutting one by one. So if okay, you have some products, okay, maybe your worker is not very mature, you need some time to practice, then you need to let the function switch go to the middle. And what means that the function switch go to the right side? Which means that okay, you can setting the timer here. So okay, you can setting the timer, okay, like how many seconds do you want, okay, for each cut. Then you can setting everything by the timer here. So okay, this is what happens when you let the function switch go to the right. And also okay, this die cut machines we have some of the emergency stop first. Can you see the yellow color bar here? Okay, when your hand press it, then it will stop. So it's for your safety. So it's a very safe machine. And welcome car, okay, Wilson, okay, joining us. And also okay, this is also one of the stop button. Okay, when your hand pull out, when your hand pull the controller, then it will stop as well. Okay, this is what happens. Okay, when your hand pull the controller, then the machines will stop working. And also this bar is also one of the emergency stop also. Okay, so if your hand touch it, then the machine will stop running. So okay, this is our die cut machines. Okay, so remember, if you are interested, you can look for us. Okay, this is the safety stop. Okay, this is the safety stop. Okay, and then this is the controller, okay, stop buttons. And also okay, so if your hand inside,
Stop.
okay, and then yes, okay, then you will make it stop. Okay, so that's why it's very safe. Okay, so your hand won't be squeezed, won't be pressed. Okay, and so okay, it's for your safety. Okay, so this is the safety stop of our machines. It's very safe. Okay, so you can get the machines from us. And also you can see there's a counter. Okay, the counter, okay, is for you can count how many times, how many products you have made, how many times the machine has operated. You can set the counter. Okay, when you press it, it becomes 0. Just that simple. And then okay, when you let the machine start working, and then the counter, let's see, it will become 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you see the counter? Okay, it's already counting now for you. And also the timer here, okay, is for you to setting like how many seconds do you want, okay, how many seconds do you want the machines to work, okay, one by one. Okay, so okay, the timer is also this function. So remember, if you are interested in the die cut machines, then you can look for us. And also okay, now okay, I will also show you some of, okay, I will also show you okay, the cold glue spray system I have tell you just now. So okay, let's see, just now I have show you about all the interface, right? So okay, let's see. Okay, ini sudah cakap. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this cold glue spray system. Okay, you can see the shape. Okay, you can choose either you want the spraying shapes to be dots or line. So for example, if you want the shapes to be line shapes, then you can just press it. Okay, then it will become the line shapes. And if you want it to be dot shapes, then you also just press it. Okay, and then it will become dot shapes. So okay, you can choose either you want line shapes or dot shapes, okay, just by your hand, okay, on the touch screen. And also you can also set the starting point and ending point, okay, like how many you want to start to spray and how many you want to end to spray, okay. Then everything, okay, you can also setting. Also you can setting the distance, okay, point distance, and also the point numbers and everything. And also, okay, this one, okay, it will also have the encoder. Okay, so the encoder is here. Okay, just now I'm just equipping it on a creasing machine because it's just for a demo. But actually, you are going to put the encoder on the conveyor belt of your folder glue machines. Okay, so okay, let's see the operation of this cold glue spray system. Okay, so okay, I will ask my technician to show you now, okay, how this cold glue spray system works, okay, and how it spray the glue. So okay, you can see, okay, the control is also movable, okay, and I press the auto function. Okay, so the auto function, remember, is for the machine use. Okay, the manual function is for you to clean everything. So okay, let's see. Okay, we have already set the auto function, we have already set the shape, we have already set the starting and ending point and every details. So okay, you can see, okay, in this spray guns, okay, this is the sensor. Okay, so when the sensor senses anything, and then okay, it will start to spray the glue out. Okay, and now okay, it's spraying in dot shapes. Now it's spraying in dot shapes. Okay, this is how the sensor works. Okay, when you when you sense your product. Now this is line shape. Okay, you can see it's quite different with what we see just now, right? Okay, this is the line shape spraying. Okay, and just now what you see is the dot shape spraying, so it's quite different. Okay, each kind of spraying is quite different, and you can also see the blue dots here are there, okay, shining, okay, which means that the gun is functioning. So okay, this is how the glue spray system works. And of course now I'm just spraying you some waters, okay, just for demo, but actually you will need to spray it on, you will need to spray it by the glue. Okay, so this is our glue spray system. Okay, so okay, this is the glue spray system that we are selling, also developed by us. And you can see the speed here. Okay, the speed, okay, of this system, okay, the maximum can up to 300 meters per minute. But now, okay, yes, okay, because we are just a demo, so it's just 8 meters per minute. But actually the speed can be up to 300 meters per minute, and you can also spray up to 500 points per second. So it's a very good system. And you can also see, okay, the 24 here is the counter, okay, to show you how many products you have already sprayed, okay, to show you how many times it has sprayed. And the length here is for you to key in the product full length. And you can also setting the pressure here. So okay, this is a very good and easy using system, okay, and you can look for us. And now, okay, let's see some of our small machines. Okay, so okay, let's see some of our small machines. So I think now I will show you, okay, about our paper cutter first. Okay, this is a 450 mm paper cutter. It's a very small and easy using machine, okay, and it's also one of our very best seller. If you are from some small productions, then you need this paper cutter, okay, to help you to cut your paper. And the width is up to 450 mm. And okay, we have two kinds of models. So the first kind, okay, this one, okay, the one you see here is the manual model, which means that okay, its cutting is still electric, okay, it's by electricity, okay, it's by auto, but okay, the way to adjust the size is by manually. The way to adjust the size is by the package here. So this is what we call as the manual model. Okay, you need to use your hand, okay, place on this package, okay, to help you to adjust the size. But okay, this is the auto model. So you can see the difference. The manual models in the middle here is nothing, but the auto model in the middle here, okay, is that you can setting everything. So okay, so I let my technician now, okay, also to connect the electric, okay, and then let's turn on, okay, the machines and show you how it works. So okay, this machine is a 450 mm cutting width, okay, paper cutter machine, and also okay, it's also the cutting thickness is up to 4.5 cm. The cutting thickness is up to 4.5 cm. So okay, the thickness is very good also. And let's see, okay, when you put your paper in, okay, so okay, you will have to turn on the buttons here, okay, turn on the buttons here, and then okay, you need to, okay, let's see here, okay, just place your paper in and you'll see the red color laser here. Okay, so the red color laser here, okay, is the cutting guide, right? So you'll see where will it cut, where will the plate where will the blade, okay, start to cut. Then you need to see, okay, by the red color here. And then the package here, okay, you can just setting, okay, and adjusting everything, okay, and then lock it, okay, so the paper will move around. And then, okay, just 2 hands, okay, press the reset button first, and 2 hands cutting together. So, okay, this is how it cuts the paper, okay, just that simple, okay, just that easy. So, okay, this is how it cut the paper. Okay, so okay, this is how the paper cutter machine works. Okay, you can see the cutting is very nicely, okay, and it just very nicely follow the cutting guideline. So this is a 450 mm paper cutter machine. Okay, you also have the safety sensor. Okay, if your hands here, then it will becoming red. Okay, so okay, if your hands, okay, if your hands on, hands there, then it will become red, and if your hands go, it will become green. So red means that even you press cut, it will not cut, okay, because it will protect your safety. But if it's green, means that it will cut. So this is also one of the machines that we are also selling to you. And now, okay, I will show you, okay, some more machines. Okay, let's show you the auto model. Okay, let's show you the auto model. So this is the manual model, right? So what is the difference? What is the difference of manual and auto? Okay, so you can see at the behind here, right, the manual have the package, but the auto, we already put it on the cover, because if you automatically adjust the package just by key in, okay, just by what your buttons has key in already. So let's see how the auto model works, okay? And if you are getting a lot of sizes, if you want to cut products in so many sizes, then I will suggest you should take an auto one. But if not, you can get a manual one. So okay, the function is also almost the same, but just okay here, okay, it's a little different. So you can set the package, okay, running to what sizes, then you can just setting here by the buttons here. For example, now I want 300 mm, then okay, I will setting 300, and then I put the paper in. Also, okay, press the reset buttons first to mean that you are ready, and then 2 hands on 2 buttons, and just cut. So after you cut, you can see the cutting is really nicely. Okay, how it works, okay, how it use is also same as the manual paper cutter. So okay, this is how the auto paper cutter works. This is how the auto paper cutter works. And also, okay, remember the cutting width is 450 mm, and then the cutting thickness is 4.5 cm. Okay, the cutting, and then okay, the upper and lower can also be separate. Okay, so the cabinet here, okay, if you want to put some of your paper, put some of products in, then you can use the cabinet. And if you don't want, if you have a small space, then you can also just want the upper machine parts. Okay, the lower cabinet you can throw away. So let's see what's inside the cabinet. Is empty, and then okay, we'll free you some parts, some cutting stick for you. Okay, so this is our paper cutter machines. And also, okay, now I will also show you our other machines, okay, such as this one is our name card cutter. So this is a very manual name card cutter. Okay, if you're also from a small productions and you need to cut your name card, then okay, you can okay put your paper inside, and if you cut the name card by round corner. So it's a very easy using name card cutter, okay, and then later I will show you how it cuts. Okay, it's just really simple. So okay, no matter if you think that this size maybe is too small for you, of course we have other sizes of the name card cutter that you can get from us as well. So let's see how this name card cutter works. Okay, so okay, we can see, okay, now we already have the paper. Okay, let's put the paper in. Okay, let's put the paper in, and then okay, just your hand, pull the handle down. Welcome our friends joining our live. Okay, and then you can see, okay, it's round corner. Okay, the cutting is very easy and very nicely. So this is how the manual name card cutter works. And also, okay, you can see, okay, the back and behind is all beautifully cut, all beautifully made. This is the manual name card cutter ready stock now, so you can get it from us. Okay, the cutting is very nicely, very precisely. And okay, now I will also, okay, you can see if your name card has several, right? Okay, then if you cut one by one, just cut one by one. Oh, it's very nicely and very different. Okay, so okay, you can get our name card cutter. Also, direct sales to us, to you, okay, from us, okay, to you from China. So this is our manual name card cutter. Okay, so you can see this is our manual name card cutter. And also, okay, let's see this. This is our manual corner cutting machine. So okay, how do the manual corner cutting machine works? Okay, is okay, if you have a you have a product and it's in a square corner, it's not in the round corner, then you want the corner to be round, right? Then you need to use this manual corner cutting machines also. Okay, and it has also 2 sizes. So let's take the sample, okay, to show you how this manual corner cutter machine works. Okay, so if you cut the corner to become round, okay, so it won't cut your hand. Okay, it will become looks more elegant, looks more nicely. Okay, and also the blade have 2 sizes, okay, included in the machine. So okay, if you want 2 size of the manual corner cutter, then you can also look for it as well. Okay, and okay, also okay, now okay, I will also show you okay some of the other machines after I show you the corner cutter. So let's see. Okay, when you have a square corner and then you cut it, then it already become the round corner. Okay, let's see clearly. So you can see, okay, I have cut it and then it already become the round corner. Okay, before that it's a square corner, but if you have cut it already, then it will becoming the round corner. So this is our manual corner cutter works, and you also have 2 sizes for you to choose, so you can choose from 2 sizes. And I will also show you okay this one is our manual drilling machines. So these drilling machines, okay, what sizes of drill bits you can change. Okay, you can choose either you want 4mm, 5mm, or either 6mm. So 4, 5, 6. Okay, how do? You need to just change the drill bits here. And also, okay, you can see you have the stopper and the ruler here. Okay, so show you all the measurement. So okay, then my technician to show you now. Okay, how it works. Okay, so when you place your paper here, and then okay, you use this one okay to press the paper so it won't move around, and then just your hand to pull the handle out. Okay, just to pull the handle, and then just that simple. Okay, then you can already okay have the hose. Okay, I already have the hose. Okay, it's very nicely. So if you are doing notebooks, okay, if you are doing some of the products that requires some hose here, then you need to get our paper drilling machines as well. Okay, and also okay, now I will also show you okay, introducing you another machine, which is this one. This is our refill glue system, okay, suitable to equip on your folder glue machines. So if you have a folder glue machines, right, every time you need a worker okay to see okay did the glue okay already done, okay, already used. Okay, if the glue already used, you need the worker to help you to refill the glue. But if you get this system okay also fully developed by us, then okay, it will automatically help you to refill the glue on your folder glue, so it can also increase your working efficiency. So if you are interested, you can get these refill glue machines from us as well. Okay, and also you can also see okay, this one is our flat bed glue spraying machines. So if you have some flat products, right, then you need to get these machines. Okay, for example, if you have some products like window patching machine, you have some products like not like window patching boxes, then you have some products like maybe it's electrical appliances, maybe it's a phone case, maybe it's some boxes, then you want to spray the glue okay on your products, then you need to get this machine. And you can see this is the spray gun, and the spray gun can rotate 360 degrees. And the working table, the working platform, you can choose either you want a 800 mm, 1200 mm, or 1300 mm, or we can customize for you. So it's a very big working platform. Okay, and this is the controller. So okay, everything, how do you spray the glue out? You need to just use this controller to setting everything. Okay, use this very cute like your TV controller to setting everything, and then it will go to the root. Okay, that spray. Okay, then it will go to the root that spray. So this is our flatbed glue spraying machines. Okay, so you can get these machines from us as well. And also okay, now I will show you okay some more machines. Okay, so let's see, this is our drilling machines. So okay, just now I've shown you this one is a small drilling machines, right? This is a small drilling machines. Okay, it has the sizes of 4, 5, 6 mm, but this is the big drilling machines. Okay, so okay, the big drilling machines here, okay, it's the electric type also drilling machines, and it also have the sizes. You can choose either you want 2.5 mm or either you want 9 mm. So 2.5 to 9 mm, and in between maybe like 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, 7, 8 mm. Every kind of the sizes. You can choose minimum 2.5 and maximum is until 9 mm. So this drilling machine is also a very easy operating machine. And you can also see what is this thing. So this one is how the waste come out. When you already drill the papers, right, and then the waste come out, then you need to get this one. So now I will also let my technician to show you how these drilling machines work. So my technician will show you now how this drilling machines works, how it connect the electric. So remember again, if you're interested in our live, please help to follow us, please help to like us. Please let us know if you need to see any machines demo, then we will do the demo for you today. So let's see. When you have already connect it, and then so this set of paper, you just put it inside the machines. You can see it's a very thick paper. You can also drill. Just turn on the buttons and then pull the handle, and then you can see it's already drilling. So let's see the holes. Can you see the holes that we just drilled just now? Can you see the holes here? It's what we just drilled just now. So it's very nicely even until the very end. The drilling is also very nicely, very beautifully. So this is how our drilling machines works. And remember, the drilling size minimum is 2.5, and then the maximum is up to 9 mm. And also so this is our drilling machines, you can see. And now I will also show you our laminating machines. So this is the laminating machine. It's a desktop laminating machine, and this machine is 380 mm, and it's a double-sided laminating machines. And so this laminating machine, will open it first. We'll turn on it first. So do we have the products to show? Do we have the products to show these laminating machines? Then we will show it to you as well. So you can laminate the upper and the lower. You want it to be on upper right, or even you want to have a lower lamination, yes, you can do. And no matter you want the post lamination, you want the plastic lamination, or maybe you want the gloss or matte lamination, these machines can do for you. So if you are from a small productions, then you also need to get the laminating machines. And now we'll wait for it to heat up first, because now it's 36. And then the temperature you can also setting by own also. So it's a very good machine. You can also get it from us. And now I will show you before when we are waiting, I will show you this one. This is our island machines. These island machines is a semi-auto island machines, and it have 4 mm model, it have 5 mm model, it have 5.5 mm models. So everything the islet you can just store here. You can just store the islets here, so you don't need to use it like a manual machine just one by one, but you can store everything here. And then you can just do it on your, maybe it's your name card or paper bag or everything that you need. Islet. Put your products here. And then pull the handles on it. And then you can see the islet is very nicely. Can you see the islets here? The machines that I'm showing you now is a 4 mm machines, so you can see the islets is very nicely. So it's very packed also. It's very fit also. So this is how the island machines work. You can see. Let's see again. So just like this, put the handles also, and then it will help you to drill the holes, and it will also help you to make the eyelets. So the machines cannot only help you to punch the eyelet, but it can also help you to punch the holes. So it's very suitable if you have some paper bags or you have some name cards that you need to do the eyelets, then you can get the eyelet machines from us. You can see this is a very nice machines. You can get it from us as well. And remember, we have 3 sizes. One is 4 mm, one is 5.5, and another one is 5 mm. So you can get this semi-auto eyelet machine. So you can see the effect is very, very nicely. To help you also can do some binding and everything. So this is our eyelet machines works. And now I will also show you our other machines. So for example, let's see what is this red color machines. So this red color is the pressing machines. So what's a pressing machines? If you have some papers, if you have some products, okay, and you already glue it, but the papers have wrinkles, it's not flat enough, it's not beautiful enough, and then okay, it's not nice enough, then you will need these pressing machines to help you to make your paper become flat. So you can see the pink color roller, right? So this is what we call as the pressing machines. And also, okay, can you see the blue color machines here? So what is the blue color machines? This is what we call as the manual sealing machines. So it's for you to seal the plastic bags. And also you can see, okay, it's a very small machines, okay, and everything, okay, the temperature you can setting here, okay, it's a very simple machines. And if you have a plastic bag, you want to close it, you want to seal it, you want to make it nicely, okay, you don't want people to easily open your plastic bag, then you will need to get our manual sealing machine in this blue color. Yes, okay, Calvin Lim asking, lamination machine how much? Okay, Calvin Lim, okay, welcome. Okay, this laminating machine, okay, small one is 850 ringgit. Okay, 850 ringgit. And then if you want a bigger one, okay, which one we already sold out, okay, 400 m is 2,980 ringgit. Okay, the bigger one is 2,980 ringgit, but now we have sold out. And then the small one, okay, is 850 ringgit. So, okay, this laminating machine is up and down, okay, double-sided, and also you can setting the temperature here. So, okay, you want it very hot, then you can setting everything. Okay, let my technician to show you because have people asking about this laminating machines. Okay, so now I will demo, I will put some products, okay, and then you can see how the laminating machines works. Okay, so please stay in this live. Thank you very much for your asking. Remember, you can look for us maximum size. Okay, this one is maximum up to, okay, actually it's 375 mm laminating width. Okay, and then the length is unlimited lah. The length is how long also okay, but the width is 375. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so let's see the effect. Okay, let's see it working. Yes, if you have any questions, you can ask for us. Okay, and then we can do the demo for you. So let's see. Okay, you already put the paper here, and then okay, now it's slowly feeding. So this machine don't have the speed adjustment, so you cannot adjust the speed. But if you get a bigger one, then you can adjust the speed. Okay, so this one is the smaller one, so the speed cannot adjust. You need to just wait it lah. You need to just wait it, okay, until you finish the products. So let's see here. Okay, this is how the products, okay, coming out from the machines. Welcome, Leonardo Cerruti from IT joining us also. So you can see. Okay, this is how the products laminate. So no matter you need a gloss or matte laminating machine, lamination we can also do for you. So you can see after laminate it's very nicely. Okay, you don't have any bubbles, you don't have any wrinkles, don't have anything that not nice lah. You can see it's very flat. Okay, very stable. Okay, and the film is very sticky on the machines. So let's see here. So okay, this is the laminating machine we sell, and it's only 850. After lamination, you can cut central line. Okay, the central line, okay, you need to cut it, okay, by your scissors, okay, by hand cannot lah, but you need to cut it maybe by your blade or by scissors. If you get a bigger one, it have the side trimming functions, which means that you can, if you are doing single-sided lamination, then you can use your hand. But if this one, okay, smaller one, it don't have the side trimming function, so you cannot cut by hand. You need to cut by the blade. Okay, you need to cut that by a scissors. Okay, or the blade here. Okay, you will need to cut by this. Okay, but it's also very easy cutting. Have bubble. Where have bubble? Okay, I don't think have any bubbles, right? Okay, it's very nicely. Okay, let's check it again. Okay, yeah, where got bubble? Okay, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think there's any bubbles. Okay, you can see it's very nice. Okay, maybe you can also bring your products come our shop. You can demo. You can demo. Okay, you can try. You can bring your products. Okay, I don't think there's bubble. I don't see any bubbles here. Okay, it's all very nice. Okay, don't have any bubbles. It's very flat. So yes. Okay, if you are getting auto laminating, you are getting not auto, a bigger one, a semi-auto one, a bigger sizes, then we have the side trimming function, which means that you can, if you are doing single set lamination, you can use your hand to cut the central line. You can use your hand to tear. Okay, don't need a blade. Okay, so if you are needed, okay, for maybe some moderate, you have maybe you need more productions, okay, then you can get a bigger one. I suggest you can take a bigger one because this smaller one cannot adjust the speed. This smaller one, okay, there's so many functions don't have. It also don't have the anti-curling function. Okay, it don't have the anti-curling function. If you get a bigger one, then it will have the anti-curling function. Okay, after cut central line, line have bubble. Okay, line have bubble. Let's see. What do you mean that line have bubble? Okay, Amon, itu central line sudah potong ada bubble meh? Okay, line have bubble after cutting. The line have bubble. I don't think there's any bubble. Okay, yeah, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. I don't think there's any bubble or anything. Okay, it's just very flat, nicely cutting. So I think the line here, the edge here is also all nicely. Yeah, I think it's all nicely. So maybe you can tell us, okay, or you have any questions, you can also ask us. Yes, let's see. Okay, the line here are all, yes, very nicely. Okay, but you can see because you are cutting by just a blade, right? So it will not be like super precise and nice that because you are cutting just by your hand, just by the blade. Yes, okay. So yeah, you can also get your products here. You can also take your products here, and then you can try this machine. Okay, don't worry, you can try this machine. You also have double-sided lamination. Okay, just now we show you is the single side, right? But what if the lower? What if another parts you want? Okay, you can also have the double-sided. Okay, the lower one. Okay, after lamination, cut central line. Line come have bubble. I still don't understand. Maybe you can type Chinese. Okay， 可能老板你可以写一下华语。OK， 因为不是很明白什么是 line come have bubble. Okay, you can let us know. Okay, what is the meaning of line come have bubble? Okay, we are not very sure. Yeah. So this is our laminating machines. Okay, and also okay, now I will also proceed to you. Okay, to show you another machine first before after okay, Kevin Lim has asked us the questions. So okay, now let's see. This one is our sealing machines, and also okay, the sealing machines for you to seal your plastic bags. Okay, so okay, my technician now okay will show you okay how the sealing machines works okay on the plastic bags. Okay, maybe Kevin Lim, you can type. Okay, can let us know what do you mean by line have bubbles, and I will answer you here. I will show you here. Okay, but now let's proceed to the sealing machine first. Okay, so let's take the plastic bag now. Okay, and see how the sealing machines works. So if you need to seal your maybe food, okay, seal some cookies or seal any products, then you will need to get these sealing machines. Okay, just connect the electric. 切了中线会起风吗？起风什么意思是起风？不是很明白。Okay, let's see. This is how the sealing machines works. 起风是什么意思？中线会起风吗？还是不是很懂哎？可能老板你可以 WhatsApp 我们，你可以问问，或者等下这个 live end 了过后呢，我们 PM 你。好的，谢谢你。Okay, yeah. So you can see this is the sealing machines. Okay, the sealing is very nicely. Okay. Yes, so this is how the sealing machines works, and you can also adjust the temperature. Okay, so the temperature if you want it in maybe you want it to be hotter. Okay, then you can adjust the temperature. And yes, this is how the sealing machines works. Okay, so you can see. And also, okay, I will also tell you. Okay, this is our hot stamping foil cutter. So if you have a hot stamping foil, then you need to cut your foil, right? Okay, welcome visitor. Okay, welcome friends from China. Okay, the things that you are seeing now is the cold spray system. Okay, I will show you now. I will show you the real system here. So this is our cold spray system. Is what you are seeing, and you can see this is the gun. So okay, the gun can spray indoor ships or live ship by our system. And also, okay, we are the manufacturer that make this system ourselves. So okay, you are very welcome, okay, in our live. And now, okay, we'll show you how it operates. Okay, so now, okay, this is our system. Okay, is a touchscreen system, and you can also setting everything here. You see, you can setting the manual and auto here. You can setting the shape, the starting ending point, and everything you can just setting here. Okay, everything you can just setting here. Okay, and then okay, so after you have your hands here. Okay, after the products here, there's a sensor here. Okay, there's a red color sensor here. So okay, after okay you have your products, then it will sense. Okay, it will spray. Let's see. Can you see it spraying? Okay, can you see it spraying? Okay. So okay, this is spraying dot shapes. So when your hands are here, then it will spray the dot shapes itself. So it's suitable for you to equip with your folder glue machines. And also, okay. Yes, okay, welcome our visitor. Okay, welcome our friends from China joining our live today. So, okay, the high speed for gun automatic cold glue is this one. This is the things that you are watching. This is the things you are watching, okay? So this is the real machines, and this is the guns. And how many guns you can equip by one system? You can equip up to 8 spray guns. You can equip up to maximum 8 spray guns. Okay, so it's very good. Okay, it's very good. Okay, and then okay, you can see the spray guns. Okay, everything you can connect it behind here at the connector, so it's very easy. And you can also setting the spraying shape to be dots or line. So when you have it, okay, and then when the sensor sense anything, and then okay, when the sensor have senses everything, and then it will spray. Okay, when the sensor says anything, then it will spray the glue out. So okay, you can see this is spraying in dot shapes. Okay, so this is the machines that you are watching. Okay, in our store. Okay, and this is spraying line shapes. So okay, if you're interested, you can look for us, because okay, we are the manufacturer that make these machines ourselves. We are the manufacturer that we make these machines ourselves. And welcome our friends from China joining our live today also. So you can see this is the cold glue spray system. Okay, and it's our own developing system. Okay, and our interface also have English and Chinese for you to choose. So no matter you like it in English or Chinese, or you need any other language, we can modify for you. And also, okay, let's proceed back to the hot stamping foil cutter. So it's for you to cut your hot stamping foil. So if your hot stamping foil, okay, is maybe you want to cut it into a shorter, then you need to get this machine. And also, this one is our glue machines. So okay, this is a 720 mm with glue machines. And then this machine, okay, how do you use? Okay, how do you use these glue machines? So okay, it have models of speed adjustment and non-speed adjustment type. Okay, and now I will let my technicians to also show you how this glue machines works. Okay, so okay, let's turn on these glue machines and let's see. Welcome Victor Kim-ji from Russia. Okay, can you hear me? If you can hear me, then you can type a yes. Okay, so I can know that you can hear me. And now okay, we are showing you about our glue machines. So let's connect the power first. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so this glue machine is for you to glue your paper, glue your boxes. Okay, you have the models of with or without speed adjustment. Let's take a closer look. So okay, this is running right now. Okay, you can see. Okay, the roller is running right now, and this is where you need to store the glue. Okay, this is where you need to store the glue. And let's put the paper. Okay, let's try how it works. And this glue machine is gluing the whole pages. The whole paper will be glued. Okay, so let's see. When you put your paper here, and then yes, the whole paper will be glued. Okay, of course now I'm not putting glue because it's just a demo, but actually okay, the whole paper will be glued. So it's a very easy, simple using glue machines. And we also have new models. We also have manual models. So you want a new machine, or you want a recon machine, you want a second-hand machine, you want a reconditioned machine, then you can also look for us, okay, because we are also direct selling this to you from China. The blue color one is a new machine, and the green color one is a second-hand machines, okay. The green color one is a second-hand machine, also with speed adjustment, with heater, or you don't want speed adjustment, don't want heater models, we also have. So this is the glue machines that we are selling to you also. And also, okay, let's see. Okay, this one is our corner cutter. This is our electric corner cutter. So it's just very similar like this manual corner cutter, but the difference is this is operated by electricity. Okay, it is operated by electric, and it also have 7 blades for you to choose. Okay, it has 7 blades for you to choose. Just now the manual one have only 2 blades, but this one have how many blades? It has 7 blades. Can you see the like maybe some, I think it's a copper color. This is the blade that we can choose, and it is operated by the foot pedal. So my technician will also show you now how these machines work. So if you have some maybe you have the paper, okay, it's in a square corner, it's in a straight line corner, you need it on to be round corner, then you need to get this corner cutter. So let's see. Okay, can you see the corner here? Okay, this is not a round corner, right? So after you use this machine, what will happen? Let's see. So you need to connect the power first, and after you connect the power, okay, so okay, you will also need to connect the foot pedal on the machines. Okay, then this is what we call the foot pedal. You can press it by your leg, or you can also even press it by, you can even press it just maybe by your hand. So okay, when you put your products in, and you need to press the foot pedal. So let's see how it works. Okay, you can see when your hands, when your foot, okay, on the foot pedal, and then okay, it will cut, and then it will cut. So this is how the corner cutting machines works, and you have 7 blades for you to choose. You have 7 blades for you to choose. So you can see after you cut, okay, the corner is becoming round, and you feel like this corner is not suitable for you, you feel that this corner is not good enough for you, then you can also change the blade, because it has 7 blades for you to change. And how do you change? Just like this simple, okay, just twist, okay, just rotate, okay, the blade, okay, and then you can already setting. So you don't need to take the blade out and okay, install the blade in. Okay, just by this, then you can change the blade. And also welcome Hamza Atala joining our live today. So this is how our corner machines works. This is how our corner, okay, paper cutter, cutting corner, round corner machine works. Okay, and also I will show you this one. This is our manual creasing machine. So okay, how do manual creasing machines work? Let's see. Okay, the manual creasing machine is for you to crease the line manually. Okay, and also we are also selling you binding glue, by the way. So if you are interested in binding glue, okay, these are the glue. Okay, after you hit it, it will become glue. Then you can also look for it. So this is a very big size of manual creasing machines. And after you have already put your paper in, and then okay, yes, just by hand, okay, you can just crease it. And after you crease it, okay, 1 time, and now you also crease it 2nd time, and then you crease it again. So okay, let's see, it's suitable for your book cover, and let's see the effect. Okay, you can see the creasing is very nice, okay, very nicely, very precisely. So let's see, this is how the creasing line works. Can you see the creasing line is very deep? Okay, it's very deep, it's very nice. Okay, so this is how the creasing line works. Okay, so this is the manual creasing machine. This is the manual creasing machines that we are also okay, direct selling it to you from our China factory. You can see the creasing line is so good. Okay, it's so nice. And welcome Anthony Nobosi joining our live today. Okay, so this is our manual creasing machines. And then now, okay, I will also show you some more machines. Okay, so what machines I can show you? Okay, I will also show you the semi-auto creasing machines. So just now we have seen a manual type, right? So this is a semi-auto type. So okay, this machine is a multifunctional machine. Why? Because it can help you to do 2 creasing line, it can help you to do 1 perforating line, and it can also help you to do 1 cutting line. Okay, of course this encoder is for the cold glue spray system. Okay, but now I will also show you. Okay, I will ask my technician to show you about our semi-auto creasing machines. So the blade position, everything you can settle and adjust, and the feeding size is up to 480 mm. So okay, I will ask my technician now to show you about our multifunctional creasing machines. Okay, So let's see how this machine works and how it's become multifunctional. Okay, so let's see. When you have, okay, you just place, okay, when you have your paper, okay, you just place the paper in, okay, and then you also have the stopper. You can adjust the stopper here, and then you can just put your paper inside here. Then, okay, just, okay, adjust the stopper so the paper will move around when you use it. And then, okay, after that, after you have setting everything, you will just need to push your paper in, and then it will do the creasing for you. So let's see. Okay, this is how it do the cutting. How it do the, this is what we call as the creasing line. Okay, it's similar just like the manual creasing machine, and this is what we call the perforating line. So the perforating line is for you maybe for like voucher, right? Okay, if you have some voucher, then you need to do some perforation. Then you have the perforating line, and this is the creasing line. Maybe you have to make the book cover, you need to have the creasing line. So okay, this semi-auto creasing machine is a very multifunctional machine, and if you want to add some blades on, or you want to reduce some blade, you want to remove the blade, you can do it also. So okay, if you're interested, you can also look for us, okay, because we're also selling this semi-auto creasing machines, and please do not hesitate to contact us and let us know if you need a catalog. And now let's see another machines. Okay, so what is this machine? So this machine is our pressing machines. Okay, I have just shown you just now, and then okay, it's to help you to let the paper, okay, be pressed, and you also have the work table. So this is the work table. Okay, now my technician is going to install the work table on this machine also, so that okay, it's a very easy, simple operating machine as well. And also, okay, we are also selling you all kinds of small and big machines, okay, including, okay, our self-developing machine, which is this one, is the flat bed glue spraying machines for you to spray the glue on any products. And even you want to spray hot melt glue or cold glue, you can just, okay, use this machine, okay. It's suitable for all kinds of glue. And then, okay, this is the spray guns, okay, for you to spray, okay, the products. So people will use it on their window patching boxes, people use it on any kind of boxes. And also, okay, welcome, it's Charlotte Not there joining our live today. So okay, this is the flatbed glue spraying machines, and also you can see, okay, this is how it works, the power, the stop button, the power indicator, the pump, okay, and then also the gun here. So everything, okay, the working table size is 800 mm, 1200 mm, or even 1300 mm. So okay, if you're interested, if you want some customization, okay, remember we are the manufacturer. So if you need some customization, you need something, okay, that maybe you are curious about, or you need to customize on your machines, you need to customize any function, you can look for us, because we also support all kind of customization and modification. So this is our self-developing glue spraying machines. And of course, if you want to just spray a little glue, then you need to get the cold glue spraying machines from us. And okay, of course, we also are selling you the paper cutter computer system. They're also fully developed by us for you to adjust the package of your paper cutter, including, okay, of course, okay, just for information, we are also selling you paper cutters as well. So not only the small paper cutters, if you need a big paper cutter, for example, you need a 920 mm paper cutter, or a 115 paper cutter, or a 1.3 meter paper cutter, bigger, smaller, 600 mm paper cutter, any kind of paper cutter we are also selling to you. And the new and reconditioned machines are available. So if you need a reconditioned polar paper cutter, yes, we are selling it to you. And every machine before we sell, we have checked the quality. So we'll make sure that the quality is very good. If you need a new paper cutter, a China brand new paper cutter, yes, we are also selling it to you also. You want a hydraulic paper cutter, a double rail paper cutter, a paper cutter with computer system, a paper cutter with blower, a paper cutter with any functions, we can find and we can sell for you. So if we are also the supplier that's selling you paper cutter machines in very good price and good quality, so you may look for us if you are interested. So this is our paper cutter machines. And also, once again, Okay, this is our die cut machines. So the die cut machines, we also have 33 years experience in selling it. No matter you want a 750mm die cut machines or smaller minimum size, or you want a bigger size, maybe it's up to 2.2 meter, we can also sell to you as well. And let's see, okay, this one is the pressing machines. Okay, so let's see how this pressing machines works. Okay, so yeah, my technician will show you now how this pressing machines works. So let's see. This pressing machine is for you to press your paper. So if your paper, after you glue or everything is not nicely, it's not flat, okay, it have some bubbles, then you need to get this pressing machines. So it's a very simple, easy using machines. Okay, you can adjust the pressure, and you have the model with speed adjustment and also without speed adjustment. So you just turn on the power, and then the roller is running. Maybe you cannot see it's running, but actually it's running. Okay, so actually it's running now. So okay, the roller below here, the steel roller is running, and then this one is how you adjust the pressure. You need to adjust the pressure here, and you will just need to put your paper in. So okay, it will press. Okay, so actually I don't have the sample now, but this is how it works. Okay, by this, and the size, the width is 720mm for this machine, 720mm. So okay, you can get the pressing machine from us as well, and we are also directly selling it to you from China. And remember, okay, our company Nantong Printing Machinery Co. is a very good company that we are supplying you all kinds of printing, finishing, and packaging machines. So no matter what kind of printing, finishing, and packaging machines you need, you can look for us because we are direct selling it to you. Okay, so if you're interested, please follow us. Please follow us. Please ask us to send you a catalog. Please save our numbers. Okay, please look for us if you are interested in all of our machines. So so our friends that joining in our live today, we are very thankful that you are here. So remember, follow us because our life is going to end in 1 minute. Our life is going to end in 1 minute. So remember, if you are interested, please follow us. So every time when we have live, we will be the first one to get notification. Every time when we have live, we will be the first one to know about our info. And remember, we are selling you die cut machines, paper cutter. We are selling you the paper cutter program control system. We are selling you the cold glue spray system and hot melt glue spray system. We are also selling you these die cut machines, and also we are also selling you the creasing machines. We are going to sell you our flatbed glue spraying machines. We are selling you our pressing machines, laminating machines, drilling machines, auto refill glue system, name cutters, corner cutters, drilling machines. 𝐿𝐢𝐧𝐝𝐬 from NG. We are also selling you the sealing machines. We are selling you the pressing machines, the glue machines, okay, the big sealing machines, the electric corner cutter, the small paper cutter, the manual creasing machines. All of these machines are in the edge folding machines, and of course including our folder glue machines. All kinds of machines, we are direct selling it to you from China, including our self-developed flatbed glue spraying machines. So remember, if you are interested, please follow us. Please let us know. Okay, if you have any questions, you can look for us and we can show you more. So I think that's all for our live today. Thank you so much for your watching, and stay tuned because we will show you more things later on. So that's all for our live today. Thank you so much. I will see you in our next live. Thank you very much. Goodbye.